So hi children, in that previous video we discussed up to two methods. Now here in this video we are going to discuss about the next method, that is finding roots by using quadratic formula. Okay, so what is that quadratic formula here? X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is that quadratic formula. So by using this formula, how to find the roots? So previous for that factorization method, I taken one of the example. So the same example I am taking, that is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So by using that factorization method, we got the 2 and 3 are roots. So here you will get the 2 and 3 are roots or not. Okay, just see that. So here a is equals to, here a is equals to nothing is there, means x square coefficient only a. So here a is equals to 1. Next b is equals to minus 5. Along with the sign you have to take. So here c is equals to 6. So first you have to write that the coefficients and the constant term. A, B, C values first you have to write here. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to 6. Okay, now we need to find this one. So x is equals to minus b. So minus of b value is equals to minus 5. Okay, this is a minus b, so minus write as it is, and b value is a minus 5, so write here minus 5. Okay, so plus or minus square root of, here b square is there, no? So b square is there, means minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is equals to 1 and c is equals to 6 whole by 2 into a is equals to 1. So substitute those here. So x is equals to minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 5 is 25 minus 4 6 24 whole by 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Okay, so from this one, x is equals to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 24, that is equals to 1 whole by 2. So which is equals to, x is equals to 5 plus or minus square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1 only. 1 into 1 is equals to 1. So 1 is a perfect square, its square root is 1. So we can write this one as 1 square. So square and root gets cancelled. We will get it as 1 by 2. Okay, so I told you that here by using plus we will get one root, by using minus we will get another root, I told you, no. So here this one we can write it as x is equals to 5 plus 1 by 2 or x is equals to 5 minus 1 by 2. So here I taken positive, here I taken that negative. Okay, addition and subtraction I taken here. So x is equals to 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 3s. So here we got that x is equals to 3. We got that x is equals to 3. And here x is equals to 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 2s. Here we can say that x is equals to 2. So what are those two values? X is equals to 2, x is equals to 3. Okay, in that factorization method also we got that the same two roots only, no, 2 and 3. So here also we got that the same roots 2 and 3. So by using any method we will get that same roots. Okay, so I told you here conditions, no, in that previous video. What is the discriminant conditions? If the discriminant value is greater than 0, less than 0, is equal to 0. So about this one only I told. See here, square root of 1. Here 1 means that is b square minus 4ac is equals to 1 only, no? B square minus 4ac is equals to 1. So this is 1 means 1 is greater than 0 or not? 1 is greater than 0. Positive value, square root of positive value we got. So actually this is the value of first b square minus 4ac. After simplification we got here 1. So b square minus 4ac value we got here 1, which means that is greater than 0. Okay, so here discriminant is greater than 0, that's why roots are real roots. 2 and 3 are real numbers or not? Real numbers only. And these two are distinct roots. Okay, distinct means two different roots or not? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are two different roots. That's what we discussed in that previous video. Okay, so by using that quadratic formula like this, we can find that roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, next graphical method is there. I told you that in the 9th class we will discuss about that, or in 8th class also, that some only little bit only there. Okay, so next one, what are those three methods we discussed? First one is factorization method, second one is solutions by completing a perfect square, and the next one is by using that quadratic formula. Who given that quadratic formula? Sridhar Acharya. So we will call that one as Sridhar Acharya's rule. Okay, so up to here quadratic equations completed. Okay, so just for extra knowledge, I will tell you that how to find that rules by using these three methods. We know that, for example, directly roots given, then okay, up to now what they given in your material, that one completed. For your extra knowledge I am saying that if alpha comma beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, what they given here? Up to now we discussed about that how to find the roots. For example, here roots they given, we need to find the equation given, then we have to find that roots, means we use that any one of the method from those three. But here in reverse they are asking, roots only they given, we need to find the equation. Is it possible to find? Yes, of course. So here, if alpha comma beta are the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then what is that equation they are asking? Okay, so here if alpha comma beta are the roots, then the equation is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. This is that another formula. Okay, that equation we have to learn here, that is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Okay, so let us say that here alpha and beta, two different values or equal roots, whatever it may be, alpha and beta values are given, we need to find that equation. What is that equation? Okay, so how to find? Just example, let alpha is equals to 2, beta is equals to 3. Two roots already they given, we need to find that alpha and beta values. Okay, we need to find that equation. So substitute that x square minus alpha plus beta, which means 2 plus 3 into x, plus alpha into beta, so 2 into 3 is equals to 0. So x square minus 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 into x plus 2 into 3 is equals to 6 is equals to 0. Just observe that equation. While I am explaining that quadratic equation formula and factorization method, I taken this equation only, no? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. In those two methods also I taken equation and we got that roots as 2 and 3. Now here in this concept they given only roots. Okay, by using the roots we got that equation as x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Is it clear to you? Okay, so if that roots given means the formula of that equation is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, which is equals to 0. Is it clear? Okay, if that only equation given, then we need to find that roots. Then how to find? By using any one of the method from that methods of finding roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, so up to here quadratic equations completed. Okay, in that next video we are going to discuss about that identities. Okay.